Hi everyone, welcome to the Java tutorial. In this video, we will explore Java technology. Java is a popular programming language due to these key features. How do Java programs run? Java files are returned with .java extension. When compiled, the Java compiler generates the .class file containing the bytecode. This serves as the mission language of the Java virtual machine. The JVM then executes this bytecode, allowing Java application to run seamlessly across multiple operating systems. Since the JVM is available on various platforms, the same .class file can be executed on different operating systems, ensuring Java's platform independent nature.